Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I just got done sharing my heart virtually for a first time at Hudson School in Long Beach, California. And I got to present to grades 3 through 8 today, two separate assemblies that focused on diversity and the sub-theme of the need for human kindness. Just like the logo on my shirt shows here, my friend and I that came up with this design a couple years ago. The peace sign inside the heart, that's where peace has to begin, that's where peace has to start. And that's really where an appreciation of diversity, of our differences, also has to begin. When we're talking about diversity, we really tried to hammer home today that it's both on the outside of someone and on the inside. And that could be on the exterior, on the outside, how someone dresses, the foods that they eat, where they were born, how they were born, how they walk, how they talk, how they see, how they hear, their skin color. We have to honor and appreciate all those differences on the outside, but also what's on the inside. So it could be our skills, our talents, our abilities, our gifts, the things that we're good at, the things that we're not good at. We have to also appreciate those things on the inside too. And it's also so important that we show this kindness because we discussed that if you show that kindness, it may not just be to the person that you show it to, that it's going to affect. It could be anybody that hears that kind word or sees that kind action, witnesses it, that it may positively affect their heart too and change their heart forever. So we always have to look for opportunities to show more kindness to ourselves and to others, and to also see not only ourselves but others for this too. Everyone has the M on the palm of their hands with the lines of their hand. I traced mine here. M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy. To know and remember that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to give it and receive it. And to know that that feeling of giving is just an amazing one, right? That we are so happy when we do it and we want to just do it more and more. All of a sudden, the more that we can show more kindness, it becomes contagious and more people want to get involved. So we went through a series of stories and videos and examples of youth from all across this world that have chosen to open their hearts to kindness. That once they accept it in there, now they want to go give it and show someone else that same love that was shown to them. That same appreciation of their differences. They want to go and help someone else and really illuminate that person's heart to have them remember that they are true miracles as well, that they matter, that they are worth something. And ultimately, it comes down to showing unconditional love. Love without any conditions, right? And that means that if somebody's taller than us or shorter than us or wider than us or thinner than us or is handicapped or not or wears glasses or doesn't or has more money or doesn't, we still show love no matter what. That's really what we tried to reinforce in today's programs, and I think the kids got that because all the youth that responded during our Q&A session at the end said that it touched their heart. And if it did, that means that they had a big heart and have a big heart. Now it's up to them to go and share that gift by how they choose to treat others and really how they choose to live. So to remember to choose respect, to show unconditional love, to appreciate diversity, and to know that they are all true miracles. Never forget that. Hudson, you guys are so beautiful. I wish I could be in person, obviously. Hopefully next school year. For now, though, keep shining your hearts, keep showing your love, and keep doing the right thing, which is showing and choosing kindness. As always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen here. Hit the notification bell too to get future updates on videos just like these. Check out my website and track my journey across this country at the link you'll see too. And you can look at the amazing playlist of motivational clips here as well. Much love. Peace.